solve some really frustrating problems in your home using Dollar Tree items, I also have some really clever home hacks for you, including this Dollar Tree hidden gem. Oh my word, this thing is almost as big as my face, and it's fresh linen. Want to smell? For these first hacks, you're gonna grab some car air fresheners, and there are so many varieties available right now. I was so excited when I saw these. How about a cassette tape or a guitar? You can really jazz up your home smelling experience. And these Jelly Belly ones, grapefruit, vanilla, fruit punch, juicy pear, heck to the yes. Pick your poison. Do you have a smelly area in your house that you want to, let's say, refresh? Just stick that baby to the back of your fan and it will cause some suction. Oftentimes you can do this with like a dryer sheet. How about underneath your car seats? This one is massive, so it's going to be real pungent. And let me tell you, this one is pungent. This is really weird hanging from the front of your mirror, and it's probably going to cause an accident. So I do not recommend this. Bottom of your garbage can. Yeah, just plop any sort of air freshener in there and in your closet. If you want your closet to smell better than ever before, maybe you have some clothes that you just wore the other day and you want to freshen up, and those bed sheets and towels, you can just stick it right beside it, and then your laundry will smell like fresh linen 24/7, even after weeks of you washing it. And now grab yourself some easy tape found on Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. This works amazing, but Dollar Tree also sells their very own version. Typically it's in the school supply section, and you're just gonna cut a little piece. A little goes a long way when it comes to the stickiness of this adhesive. Can you imagine where we're gonna put this? Yes, in your desk or under your desk. Oh yeah, I actually put this here and forgot about it, and several hours later I was sniffing around. What is that? These leather pumpkins. I am not a seasonal decorator except for Christmas, but man, this made me want to start decorating for the different holidays. It's just something about this pumpkin got me very, very excited, and such an excellent price point at $1.25. How about a folding step stool? Do you want to save space? Maybe you have a pantry or a closet or a cleaning closet, or sometimes you just need to get up high. $5 is a steal of a deal. You may have seen these Dollar Tree organizing gems in previous videos, but now they have them in a mint green and a blue. I'm kind of embarrassed to tell you, but I have so many of these because they work amazing. How about this magnetic pickup tool? Did you drop a coin between your car seats? I know that happens to me all the time, not only for picking up nails, but if you have a loved one, a handyman or woman in your household, this is fantastic. And again, an excellent price point. Go gadget arm extender. Coffee with the side of brunch. Yes, please. Coffee all day, every day. I want to share this with my fellow coffee fanatics. Speaking of being a fanatic, I am a fanatic when it comes to candles. So anytime Dollar Tree has some new variations available, I have to share them with you. I'm loving this mint green one and the yellow one. You could put this in a bathroom. You could have a spa experience. It could be in your kitchen. And the flavors, if you will, on these are very pleasant to the nose. Something about Comet reminds me of being a childhood. I think I grew up with Comet around my house, but you're going to want to grab the one with bleach. You can get lemon scented, you can get all kinds of different scents when it comes to Comet, and this goes a long way. You can also grab some Ajax if you want, but I have some sort of weird sentimental value to Comet. Look at this toilet. You see this ring down here? Yes, you could get yourself a pumice stone and it will get rid of this. However, it does scratch the porcelain over time. So pick your poison. We're going to grab some bleach. Now, you may have seen this little trick here done with vinegar, and I'm going to tell you right now, it is not going to get rid of those mineral deposits and hard water lines. You're going to sprinkle that Comet inside of your toilet, clean it up, and then just grab some toilet paper because you want the Comet to adhere to those water marks and mineral deposits. Now, I will tell you this is not going to work perfectly. I have something up my sleeve that I'm trying right now.
now, yes, it is very powerful and potent, but Comet is a second best in my opinion. But make sure that Comet is stuck to those water lines. Now, the more difficult stains that you have, the longer this sits, the better job it will do for your toilet. I like to call this cleaning while you sleep. This is going to work fantastic. And I don't know, I love the smell of bleach. So your bathroom is also going to smell wonderful without it being too overpowering. It looks like a fun creation in there. This is a toilet in our upstairs bathroom. And again, you can see here, it just looks nasty with those water lines because this toilet does not get flushed as often. The water just sits in there and you're going to scrub. You're going to need to put some elbow grease into this. Repeat this process as much as needed. Now, as you can see here, those mineral deposits are not completely gone, but they are slightly better. The toilet is definitely whiter and shinier, which I'm loving this. I'm going to repeat this process a couple more times, but I will tell you these lines are very challenging to get rid of. So stay tuned, my friend, but Comet is going to be your best Dollar Tree version when it comes to cleaning your toilet. On the back of the Comet product, it does say that you can use this for stainless steel. I've never used it. Want to give it a whirl here and show you the results today. Look at all these water spots. This is about after 1 week. And yes, we do have soft water, but things just accumulate on there. So I'm going to make myself a nice paste. Can I just say, I love how soapy this gets. I know that suds is not an indication of cleanliness, but in my mind, it kind of is. I've just been trained and programmed this way. I have to say this process was super satisfying. And yes, this is a Dollar Tree brush. Now go in, dry everything up because that's going to be the true test whether you were able to clean that stainless steel. Now, survey says on this one, it is looking pretty darn good. However, I will say there are some mineral deposits left over. This is not my favorite product. However, Barkeeper's Friend is still in my #1 spot. Nothing in this video is sponsored, but here are all the other places that you can use this Comet. Let us know in that comments box below how you like to use Comet. How about some bath slime? I'd never seen this product before. Weird product alert. This reminds me of that weird cleaner that you can put in your car to clean out the vents. By the way, it does not work. It's just like this blobbery mess. So I thought, well, bath slime, we got green, we got pink, we got purple. Let's see how well this works. Interesting concept. My kids were very excited to use this. You know, I can't stand slime. It's such a weird texture. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. It's like boogers or some weird gelatin. And I have to say, this was just nasty. Like, I don't know, are you supposed to use the whole thing in the bath? It was crumbling and falling apart and it got kind of sudsy. I don't know. Save your money on this one. It does say in the back that it could stain some towels. So just based on that, I'm not a fan of this one. Sorry, bath slime. Okay, moving into the makeup sponge. This was amazing. I loved it because it looked like a coffee cup. We have brown, we have white, but I love the brown because it can hide better the coloring of your makeup. You know, when you have your sponges and they just look so dirty and dingy, well, this is gonna hide it a little bit better. It stands on its own. You can put it in its cup. You can travel with this. You can put it in your cupboard. Now, it is bright and early in the morning. We're talking before 6 a.m. I am a 4 a.m. riser. The sponges that I get with the foundation tend to tear apart towards the bottom of the foundation, if you know what I mean. So I like the sturdier option. I haven't been a big fan of these just because I didn't know how to store them, but I'm loving this Dollar Tree version. It fits perfectly in my cupboard. I do not wear much makeup in my personal opinion. I just like to put a little down to even out my skin tone, and I'm really liking this, especially because I can wash the sponge, let it dry, and put it in its really cute little container. Yahoo! Way to go, Dollar Tree. Finish it off with a little matte spray. I did test in a previous video the Dollar Tree version. I was not the biggest fan. I still prefer this one, even though it is a bit pricier. Okay, moving into weird contraptions in the beauty section. The Jade Sa Massager. I don't know if that's how you say it. Jade Facial Roller. I like the idea of this. It makes you sit down, have a little self-care. But this one, face and neck rolling tool. Lifting, doing kind of weird things on your face. You don't need a facelift. I'm just kidding. You can use this. It helps reduce puffiness and helps stimulate blood flow for a brighter complexion. Let's just go to town on this bad boy and see what we're working with. It's a little bit crazy. I thought this could be an interesting cleaning tool. Maybe stay tuned for that one. But at first I was like, this is really weird. What is happening to my face? And then after, a few seconds, I actually started to appreciate this. This was relaxing. It made me become very mindful, because how often do you have something like this rubbing the bottom of your face? Thumbs up on this one. This next one was oddly placed in the car section, automotive section. Now, I don't know if it was just placed there by accident, but this is a new drawer organizer, and I love the little feet at the bottom so it's not sitting around as often. Do you have a junk drawer or a kitchen drawer that needs some love and organization? I would definitely stack up on these little gems. Okay, I've seen other YouTubers use these stackable acrylic organizers, and this is the first time I've seen them in my Dollar Tree, so I bought 4 of them. They kind of slide together. Now, they don't lock in place, so I do have an alternative solution for you if you wanted to make something a bit taller. And of course, a clever way to utilize these, certainly you could use them for lip glosses and hair ties and little bits and bobs and trinkets in your home, but you could also just grab some cement glue that is currently at Dollar Tree. I had shared in some previous videos, or you could use some easy glue. I opted not to glue mine together just because I want to be able to reconfigure them just based upon the space in my home. But I'm loving this for candy, especially because Halloween is right around the corner. You can put a few pieces in there. Anyone like the chocolate Tootsie Rolls? I do not like them. I actually end up tossing them. Why are they in there? Apparently they must be popular because Tootsie Pop keeps putting them inside there. I'm loving these Reese's. Now, when you are at the Dollar Tree, make sure you check to see if yours open and close well. I didn't check this one, and as you can see, it's not opening and closing very well. So yeah, I'm kind of stuck with this janky drawer, but that's okay. This looks so cute in my pantry just to have a little sweet treat every afternoon. I like to have it, and you can use this to organize your teas. This is my current tea organizer, but you can use this Dollar Tree gem as well. Okay, this is a little random. Pink plates, blue plates. My little sweet 3-year-old Marissa is obsessed with pink plates. And then rather than having to fight with her about who gets what plate, I have a whole stack of pink plates for her. These veggie bags, woo-wee, 5 in a pack. I have never seen these before. It looked fancy, natural home. I'm all about it. So I tried these out in my home in a variety of different ways. You can see here we got 4 larger bags and then 1 smaller bag, which is where you can store and organize everything. And these are all the things: reduce and reuse, less waste, machine. These are great for the environment and they are washable. I'm going to show you several ways that you can use these in your refrigerator. However, full disclosure, because I test all of these things out for more than a hot minute and share them with you. I tried this with carrots. Rather than keeping them in this bag, it doesn't look very nice in your refrigerator. It's not very organized. I'm like, this bag is probably filthy from being handled in the store and during delivery to your home or whatnot. So I was like, this is amazing. We put the carrots in here. I'm loving this. And I'm gonna tell you something here. I do not love these bags. I will say after a couple days, my carrots got soggier than ever than if I had kept them in this bag. Same with the lettuce. It wilted much faster than keeping it in the bag. And the Brussels sprouts were fine. They're just a bit more dense anyway to begin with. And I do not love these. I like how it looks in my refrigerator. I can easily pull it in and out. Maybe I'm doing something wrong with these veggie bags, but all of my produce went bad more quickly than if I had just left them in their ugly plastic baggy packaging. I know it's not environmentally friendly, but it seems to work better. Let's talk about a major Dollar Tree win that's going to save you money. It's going to help you reach those health and fitness goals that you have. These yogurt parfait cups. I actually went back to Dollar Tree and bought like 5 more of them. These are my favorite Greek yogurts because it contains a lot of protein, which is what you want to keep you fuller. If you are new here, I also run a fitness channel here on YouTube. So this cup is perfect. Let me show you how to use this. This is the benefit because I show you the ins and outs of these products. Fill the yogurt to the bottom of sort of that handle, the grippy part on the yogurt cup. You know what I'm seeing right here? These is perfectly rationed out based on the size and serving. I shouldn't say perfectly, but very, very well. I want to show you this spoon because my husband had some questions about this when I first brought these home, but it just slides in and out and then it retracts. And I have to say I haven't broken any of these spoons. It's pretty heavy duty. It's relatively easy to wash. And then all you have to do is slide it back in there. Grab your favorite berries of choice. I just had these blueberries and a few blackberries that I wanted to use up. Strain them out, rinse them out. And then I like to do this on a Sunday when I have a bit more time. That way I have a few of these ready to go for a breakfast or lunch. And you can see I overfilled. Typically you just want to put your fruit to the top of that white line, you know what I'm talking about, but I wanted to use these up. You don't want to overflow it. You can see the cap fits on nicely, but then we don't have enough room for, I guess, one of my favorite ingredients, which is the granola. But I will say this top is almost perfectly portioned out for a serving size. And of course, I forgot, you can grab a little ground cinnamon and put that in there. It's amazing. Love this protein-packed granola. So you're not just having like a carb on carb sort of meal. That I love this for meals because it is so light, easy, convenient, filling, antioxidants, all the good things. You can see here, this is a serving size for the granola and it fits almost perfectly in this cup. And that granola can pack a punch. So if you have a great way to portion out the granola so you can save some room in your diet for other sweet treats, that's exciting. Oh yes, I have several of these stocked up. Just wanted to show you because I love these and these are much pricier on Amazon. Grab a few for a friend, a neighbor. Love these. Okay, and yes, because I always have ice cream every single day. When you eat healthier meals, then there's always some room for some sweet treats. My kids loved making these fruit and yogurt parfaits. Again, loving these on the go with the busy evenings. I'm rarely at home between the hours of 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. because, you know, running kids here, there, and everywhere. And I do like to do a little yoga in the evenings. If you have not, make sure that you sign up for the free weekly cleaning and organizing newsletter that is linked in that description box below. If you want to see some more Dollar Tree home hacks, click the video on screen now. But if you want to see a really clever way to use a Dollar Tree broom, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.